Things have been really heating up in the whole Amber Heard versus Johnny Depp case. People are signing petitions to have Amber removed from Aquaman 2 and Depp rehired as Jack Sparrow. Now we're hearing things from the court case between the two, and they really aren't looking too good for Amber Heard. The Aquaman actress reportedly filed for divorce from Depp just 3 days after his mother passed away. That does seem cold if you ask me. So why would Amber settle for a day when Depp was still dealing with the loss of his mom? Was it a coincidence or just intentional emotional torture? Let's find out. Amber Heard filed for divorce on May 23, 2016, which ended up kickstarting a court battle, and it soon intensified and spiraled out of control. One of the predominant rumors that plagued Amber Heard and Johnny Depp's messy marriage, apart from domestic abuse allegations hurled by both at each other, was that the actor's mother disapproved of his wife at the time. There were reports coming from both parties, and this whole thing seems to have cost the pair pretty big jobs in Hollywood. According to media reports, Depp's mother, sisters, and even his 2 children with Vanessa Paradis didn't think much of Amber. Depp's close friends reportedly begged the actor not to marry Amber, and his mother apparently claimed she was nothing more than a gold digger, probably the reason she hated her so much after her death. The drive-angry actress went to court asking for divorce from Depp. It was said that Depp's mother thought all she wanted to do was use Depp to boost her own career. Back in May of 2016, it emerged that Depp and Amber's short-lived marriage was heading for an acrimonious end. Amid rumors that there was a full-blown feud between Amber and Depp's family, questions were raised over the timing of the divorce, 3 days after the Pirates of the Caribbean's mother, Betty Sue Palmer, died. It also happened to be the very day when Depp's daughter, Lily Rose, was celebrating her birthday. And hear this, the very day his movie, Alice Through the Looking Glass, was premiering. Does this really look like a coincidence? Nobody buys that. Amber strategically planned this to hurt Depp even more, certainly at the time when he needed her most. Amber, then 30, filed for divorce, citing irreconcilable differences after the two were married for a little over a year. Given the brevity of this marriage and the most recent and tragic loss of his mother, Johnny will not respond to any of the salacious false stories, gossip, misinformation, and lies about his personal life. Hopefully, the dissolution of this short marriage will be resolved quickly, Depp's representative said in a statement. Amber's team on their part said that she termed the marriage as a mistake on her part. Depp, 22 years older than Amber, apparently fell off the wagon during their short marriage and even made drunken public appearances. As the couple didn't sign a prenuptial agreement, Amber immediately asked for spousal support in her divorce papers. She also asked that Depp pay her legal bills. The long-haired and heavily inked actor will surely not forgive the fact that his wife launched these proceedings 3 days after the death of his mother, Betty Sue Palmer, at the age of 81. He was so close to her that he had her name tattooed inside a heart on his left arm. It has been claimed that his relationship with Amber further deteriorated after he moved his ailing mother into their Los Angeles compound. That wasn't Depp's first divorce, though. He married makeup artist Lorianne Allison in 1983, but they went their separate ways 2 years later. He also split from French actress partner Vanessa Paradis, with whom he has a daughter, Lily Rose, after 14 years together. Amber and Depp were married on the beach of Depp's private island, Little Halls Pond Cay in the Bahamas, on February 3, 2015, with just 24 guests in attendance. The pair caused controversy in Australia that year when they smuggled their 2 Yorkshire Terriers, Pistol and Boo, into the country without going through quarantine. An Australian court let the actress off with a good behavior bond after pleading guilty to falsifying travel documents. Depp's mom made a rare public appearance at the couple's engagement party in March 2014, 3 months after her son had popped the question to his then-girlfriend, now estranged ex-wife. He showed his love to his mother by buying her a $1 million, 43-acre Kentucky farm in 1995, where she lived until her passing. The Fantastic Beasts actor often spoke about his mother in interviews and her advice to him on how to stand up to bullies. In a past interview, Depp recalled, "She'd come from nothing but hillbillies, and she said, 'Okay, here's the deal. Next time anybody puts their hands on you, pick up a brick and lay them out.' And I've taken that advice ever since." Depp and Amber did not have any children, though they did have dogs, specifically 2 teacup Yorkshire Terriers that they smuggled into a now infamous trip to Australia. The couple met in 2009 while shooting the Bruce Robinson-directed film The Rum Diary. Depp played a journalist named Paul Kemp who takes a job in Puerto Rico and falls head over heels in love with Chanot, played by Amber. After their meeting, Depp described Amber as too good to be true. She was attentive, she was loving, she was smart, she was kind, she was funny, she was understanding. We had many things in common, certain blues music, literature for that year and a half. It was amazing. She seemed to be the perfect partner in a sense, in my head, he told the jury during their libel trial. However, their marriage may have been doomed from the start, with Depp allegedly joking, "Now I can punch her," to his best man as they walked from the ceremony to the reception on his wedding day. According to both parties, the relationship was at times volatile, including one infamous night in 2016 where Amber allegedly hit the actor with a haymaker punch the same night she allegedly pooped in his bed. The actress also accused the Sweeney Todd actor of abuse on multiple occasions, including accusations of hitting her with a bottle, forcing her to give him oral sex, and subjecting her to cavity searches during their marriage. In 2019, Depp filed a $50 million defamation lawsuit against his ex over the claim she made in the Washington Post op-ed. He alleges that the piece seriously damaged his career and cost him in excess of $40 million in earnings. After her attempts to dismiss the suit were denied, she filed her own $100 million countersuit in 2020, calling Depp's lawsuit frivolous. From the look of things, the hatred between these two stars runs deeper than we all initially thought, and the ongoing defamation trial is opening so many Pandora boxes, we shall leave none untouched. In our upcoming videos, we'll be bringing you more on Depp and Amber's troubled relationship, so be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss any of that.